really well. We did the foundation, we did a ramp from the garage into the alley side. We have the walls, the framing of the walls built, and we finished doing the firewall on the exterior side. It has this 1 hour rating sheetrock and also the plywood. We have the joists till half of the garage. The second half will be exposed all the way to the ceiling. We're gonna continue next week when that power beam comes, and then we can install the ceiling and the roof. The windows may take about 8 weeks to be delivered, so we're gonna have to put some plywood in there, bore those openings. Thank you for watching, and we'll see us next week.